Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been good. Thank you for always watching and for subscribing, for liking, commenting, sharing. And if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post. I received a beauty package from a brand and I want us to do so guys, we are going to do unboxing. I'm going to show you the product and we'll also look at my face. We'll see how it looks right now, and then we'll do another video after around 2 weeks and see how the products are working on my skin. Let's see what's inside here. So we have the body serum. This one is applied on the body after a shower. This one is a face serum. It's for the face. You apply it on your face after cleansing. Okay, we have the face wash. This comes first before the face serum. We have the face wash for washing the face. Okay, and we have hair serum. So you massage it into your hair. Okay, and guys, we also have the hyaluronic serum. It's also for the face, for applying on the face. So we have 3 face products: the face wash, the hyaluronic serum, and the face serum. And then we have the body serum for applying on the body after showering, and the hair serum for applying on hair, on clean hair. Yeah guys, we are going to be using these products on the face, the hair, and also the body, and we will review after around 2 weeks. We see how they are working on me. So guys, let's look onto my face. This is how my face is looking right now. As you can see, I have a few black spots on my chin, and also I have a few acne on my forehead. So we are going to be using these products and we'll see how they are going to work. So guys, Uzuri Life is a new brand they are launching in Kenya, and its products are made in the UK. They are specially made for skincare, for body and for hair, and they mainly work on scars, on acne, blemishes, aging, and they also work on hydrated skin. The products are natural and suitable for vegans. So guys, stay tuned for this product review. I'm going to be using it on my face, and we will be monitoring every stage to see how they're going to work on my face and body, and also my hair.